You can call it.
Theodore Edgecomb, 20 CF 3535. Appearances.
Grand Jury for the state.
Theodore Edgecomb appearing by attorney Nick Ahmad and Ivory Lamar.
It's here on a jury question. A while ago, the jury sent out via the foreperson, who's juror 4, the question. It says, "Hi, Judge, can we see the enhanced video when the shooting actually occurred?" Per the jurors. I'll hear from both sides. Mr. Hubner.
I believe they're requesting the enhanced video that was shown by the defense. I mean, there were 2 that were shown, but I think they're referring to just the last one.
Let's presume for the moment that that's what they're requesting. What's your position on that?
I have no problem with them watching it. They want to watch it.
Mr. Ahmad, any objection to that?
No objection.
All right, I'll have the defense cue it up. As neither side's objecting, I'll allow that. I will say, however, that it's not going to be played repeatedly for the jury. This isn't.
I think the case law can be played once.
That may be the case law. That's also my rule, because otherwise it turns into a trial over a video. There was at least 6 people, 4 potentially or arguably independent witnesses, all of whom testified. The defendant testified. Mrs. Cleereman testified. That's 6 people that were at the incident or near the incident that saw what occurred. So if there's a case out there, great, but that's certainly my rule. These cases are not going to be situations in this or any case where I'm going to repeatedly play or allow a video to be played repeatedly for the jury while they're deliberating. This video and other unenhanced video was played, I can't even count how many times during this trial. I said multiple times, it was cumulative. Both sides belabored it too much. That's not going to occur. It'll be played once. Counsel can make a record on the exhibit number and how long it is. I think it's a minute or a minute 35 or something like that. It's played start to finish. No commentary from anybody, including the court, and then they will be told to continue to deliberate. Mr. Ahmad, what juror number is it? Yeah, sorry, exhibit number.
D25, it's 1 minute and 49 seconds long, and I think, Judge, the jury can be told if they want to look at the monitor and get out of their seats, they can.
Well, I don't want them parading around, but I'll move the monitor closer to them, the one monitor, or I'll have Mr. Hubner do it. So, since both sides are stipulating, if you can cue that up, counsel, I'll have my bailiff in a minute, go and get the jury in about 2 minutes. When you get that queued up, 2-minute recess.
For the jury, obviously it's a grainy video and we're concerned about the distance.
Yeah, we're on the record. Everybody use the mic, please. Go ahead.
Yeah, we just want to request that the TV be placed closer to the jury box. We also want to put on the record, we understand that the court is inclined to show the video once. Obviously, this is a grainy video. You know, the moment in which they're requesting happens very quickly. So we understand the court's position to show it once. We would like to preserve our objection as to the amount of times that the video be shown, and also request that the TV be moved closer so that the jurors can at least appreciate what they're seeing. We would like to preserve the objection as to the amount of times that the video be shown. This video, the incident in which the jury is requesting, happens quickly, and we believe that the jury should be able to see the video evidence as many times as necessary. In addition of that, we would also request that the TV screen be moved closer to the jury box to ensure that all jurors have the same appreciation of being able to see the video. Thank you.
Mr. Hubner, be brief, please.
Well, first of all, Yeah,
Somebody, if you guys don't use the mic,
Judge, I'm
seriously.
really close to
I'm
the
gonna
mic.
sicker on both you guys, really.
that's okay. Judge, I guess I can move the computer, but I have to be able to see also what's being shown here. I moved it, this is the closest it's ever been to the jury.
Right. If it gets much closer, then some jurors are gonna have a very bad angle. You can move it another foot or two closer. It's probably 8 to 10 feet from the front of the jury box. It's,
We're gonna run out of these two.
right, fine. It's fine where it is. It's direct, hang on.
We're not able to see the video either. Attorney Huebner is stating his positioning to be able to see it, but
Well,
we're
I'm
not.
assuming it's gonna be on both screens.
Okay.
You've got the best angle.
We don't have the same view of the jury, but I just want to put it on the record.
If you let me run it, then I got no problem, because then I can see it. But
Okay,
right now, I can't
enough.
see anything.
The defense is running it. It's on the screen in front of the defense. It can be on the screen behind the defense, which you're 2 feet away from. The jury, it'll be in front of the jury. I'm playing it once, period. The jury's gonna hear it's being played once, start to finish. No commentary, no stopping, nothing.
At least over by the wall so I
Stand
can
to see it, yes.
All right.
And if the defense wants to move and stand next to Mr. Huebner and you guys all want to be buddies to watch this, that's just great. Let's bring the jury in. All right, the jury's coming in. You can remain seated, please. All right, the jury's back in the box. I received your question from the four-person juror 4. The lawyers have queued up the video. It's the enhanced video. There was a defense exhibit. It is going to be played. It is going to be played one time. No one is going to comment on it. It's going to be played start to finish. Then we're done, and you go back to continue to deliberate. Go ahead. That was it, correct, gentlemen? Yes. All right, if you can all retire to the jury room and continue deliberations. Thank you. We're off the record. We're in recess. It's 3:45. Thank you.